This will be a quick video on importing contacts via an Excel sheet. You'll see we have a lot of other options for you to import your contacts, but this one will focus specifically on an Excel sheet as it is a very common way. The formats allowed are XLS, XLSX, and CSV, so we allow them all. Let's go ahead. This was after clicking on the import contacts from any spot in the system, whether it was account overview or import contacts from the contacts database. And let's get started. So you'll see you have many options here of importing your contacts via MailChimp, Yahoo, Outlook, basically anything that you allow access to for us to import your contacts. And I will go ahead and keep the upload spreadsheet in this example. And then you're able to choose the type of customers that you are uploading at the moment, whether it's current customers. Based on your business, typically the default for this is about 3 months, so they've had a visit within the last 3 months. Past customers would be those after that haven't been in for at least 3 months. Leads are people who have never been into your business, potential clients that you want to reach out to. And other is actually for business contacts, other people that you want to reach out to that are not part of your customer base. It is a completely separate category, and it will not feed into the customer base. One thing, if you currently have customers in your database, one thing that we do select is possibly use our don't move customers out of their current category option, because you may have a mixed list of clients, and so that way you'll be able to determine that if they're already in active or passive category and that categorization is still the same, that you don't want to move them, you just want to update any information that you have for them. Then the next thing will be uploading your file. So you can either drag the file here or select the file from your computer. Which I'll select my Excel sheet. One thing we do recommend the Excel sheet to have nice clear columns, first name, last name, email, phone, any other custom fields that you want to include, which you are able to categorize. We do have standards, except then you're also able to add new custom fields based on certain information that you have and whether it's a value or numeric. Then when you click next, update fields that are empty on existing contact is always the recommended one, just because if you have an email in the system, but you don't possibly have a phone number, but now this Excel sheet adds that, it'll add it to the existing contact and it'll stop the system from creating any duplicates. It'll just update the current profile. And using a label is recommended if it's a certain group that you want to reach out to. So say these are ones that come only to your Zumba class and you want to create a label for these to reach out regarding certain classes or certain information that you have regarding that specific category. So creating a label is always good, or maybe you even want to include the import date to know when this file was updated. So again, label is optional, but it typically doesn't hurt to add one. So I'll go ahead and use Zumba class, and just because it was my example. And we do recommend including an email notification. That way you'll know that everything went through properly. And that's it. That's importing contacts to your database via an Excel sheet. We hope this video helped.